Hey everybody, welcome back to my anime rec channel, Giz Anime. Today we're going to be watching I've Been Killing Slimes for 300 Years and Maxed Out My Level, Episode 4. Last episode we met Hakara, the elf, Beelzebub, a demon lord who was basically after Hakara, wanting some kind of energy drink basically that she had made. Hakara ran away from her village thinking that the Demon Lord wanted to kill her because she had poisoned her, when in fact it's because the Demon Lord used these energy drinks, overworked herself, and got sick. But the Demon Lord essentially wanted more of them. And then at the end of the episode, Laika says that she wants to go back home. So we have Azusa basically wanting to know, why she wants to go home, why she's trying to leave. So this episode we'll probably figure that out. I'm pretty sure it has something to do with family. I mean, she's probably been gone a little while, so her family might be worried, so she wants to go back, see family. With that being said, we'll probably be introduced to another episode or another character or two. With all that being said, though, I will see you all there. Alright, people, here we go. Like in family, right? Sister? Friend? Those are kind of neat looking. That's kind of funny. Not quite as old as Azusa in this world, but still pretty old. And all she cares about knowing is love. Huh. I mean, I guess that should be typical of a teenager though, right? How is it since she doesn't realize that she probably has family out there, like actual family? Okay, so it was something family related. Of course, Hakara wants to go because she was just interested in love, and like this is pretty much the epitome of love. I wonder how many humans come to this little dragon village. Hakara's like me, we don't do flying. Where's the Demon Lord? Wow. She wants Azusa to kiss her. This is the kind of training she's looking for. Not the same as Laika. Wow, dragons do be looking the same. They have different patterns, like on their horns and face. But it would be interesting if they had like different amount of horns, or longer, shorter. Guess that's a good reason why you shouldn't step on a plate, right? I wonder how much stronger mom and dad are compared to Laika. Laika, Lila. Go figure, right? Yep. ADU is probably nothing to a dragon. Probably lived thousands and thousands of years. Speaking of the party crashers, no, they just literally froze everything that fast. Gives a whole new term to the meaning dragon breath. Bully queen of the blue dragons.
Give me your fucking money!
What a name. Mad that nobody's taking her up. All these blue dragons flying around. Why don't you go hook up with one of them? You know, she really takes everything her grandpa says to heart, right? I wonder what this fate of the Dragon Tribes is about. I'm pretty sure it's something really ridiculous that they probably took out of context. Well, that was the wrong answer.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Out of here.
He fucked up.
Now they made it personal. Wasn't going to get involved, but I guess now. Yeah, Zeus is about to cut that number down. It's not going to work. What still gets me though is these dragons are probably still older than Azusa. I mean, she might be old for a human, but yeah, see, like this girl, kind of strong. No, she took one hit, but she definitely ain't taking two. Now, is this bully dragon going to ask for her to become like a pupil now too? Ah, the Demon Lord. How is that amazing? She's a Demon Lord. Azusa beat the crap out of like tons of them. Why is she doting all over her like that? It seems a little out of character for Azusa. She's happy she didn't have to fight them all herself. She trying to make her out to be good. The amount you owe in damages. Never move from this spot. So they'll just essentially starve to death to die there. That's how powerful this spell is that Beelzebub put out. Seems a little absurd even for a Demon Lord against a dragon, but okay. So the blue dragons, ice dragons, essentially will leave the fire dragons alone. But does that also mean that the fire dragons can't bug the ice dragons too?
You will die.
That's a pretty terrible name to have. Title, Lord of the Flies. Why isn't she called Lord of the Demons? More intimidating. Throw up everywhere. Oh, wow. It already happened. Maybe she'll make something else. It's a little weird that they don't have a little more dragon features, like slanted eyes or smaller versions of wings on their back, claws, or anything other than the horns to show they're dragons. Like, the blue one had a tail. Do they have tails? Because I didn't see any. It seems really a bit too minimal. Yeah, no tails. Didn't she have a tail? I thought she did. Yep, she has a tail. So why don't they? Since you can't marry? I hope you get divorced right away. Everything seems to be going way too well. Like, are we gonna have any problems arise at any point? Any actual real fights that we've got to try to overcome? Just don't expect it all the time. You know, she gets so drunk she passed out.
Don't you dare!
Don't you dare throw up on me. Yeah, what's her car? What is she then? God's stepsister? Alright everybody, so another lighthearted episode, not a lot happening really. We've got Flatorte, a blue dragon who basically came in to ruin the wedding that Laika's sister was having, that the group was invited to. The Demon Lord basically stopped part of the group of blue dragons that were going to some village to cause havoc because she was there basically having a spa day and they were going to ruin it for her, and that wasn't happening. So she inadvertently helped Azusa to defeat them, while at the wedding Azusa beat most of them herself. I'm waiting to see if anything really big happens. We have the barrier that she put over the town that she lives near. So hopefully something goes in there, breaks maybe even the barrier, comes in the town, and tries to create some kind of problem. Because every episode so far has been meeting new characters and really lighthearted. I'm waiting for some kind of actual action to happen. The show seems really cute and pretty. But it's more slice of lifey, and I'm really not into that. So hopefully it picks up. I'm not sure if we've been introduced to all the characters in the show so far, or if we have more to develop as the episodes progress. This seems like one of those shows where nothing is really going to be... Like, we're never going to have really a sense of danger for any of the characters, you know. Wanting a little more action in the series. Not exactly what I was thinking it would be. So, with that being said, though, let me know what you all thought of the episode. Is the show living up to your expectations, or is it not exactly what you had thought it would be either? And I'll see you all next time.